Health equals happiness, and happiness is something we should all be working towards at the end of the day. That being said, the key to a healthy lifestyle has a great deal to do with your daily habits. If you're a homebody who sits on the couch all day and chooses chips for your dinner meal, you're probably not on the right track to being healthy. Here are a few great, healthy habits you should work into your life as soon as possible. 1. Cook more meals at home. Cooking for yourself gives you the power to make healthy food swaps, control proportions and ensure your food is as fresh as it gets. 2. Drink more water. There is no arguing about this. 1% drinking water has so many benefits like more energy, nourishes the skin and does wonders for your insides as well. So at least drink 7 cups of water every day. Benefits of water intake is carrying nutrients and oxygen to your cells, flushing bacteria from your bladder, aiding digestion, preventing constipation, normalizing blood pressure, stabilizing the heartbeat, cushioning joints, protecting organs and tissues, regulating body temperature, maintaining electrolyte, sodium, balance. 3. Less sitting, more standing. Excessive sitting can take years off your life. Plus, if not seated properly, it can ruin your posture. 4. Get outside. People who live closer to nature are ultimately healthier than those who are not. Plus, nature is gorgeous. Plus, you get more vitamin D, which is great for your body. The outdoors is good for your vision. Research shows that elementary school students who spend more time outdoors are less likely to develop nearsightedness. 5. Exercise more. This is obvious. Ideally, you should be getting 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per day, 5 days a week. Be careful not to overexercise. 6. Spend time with loved ones. People with strong social networks tend to reap tons of health benefits, like happiness and less stress. 7. Be grateful. When you are grateful, you won't compare yourself with other people and you live happy. The benefits of being grateful are more empathetic and forgiving. Gratitude has been shown to increase empathy and our ability to care about other people. When faced with an aggressor, grateful people were shown to be less reactive, more caring, and understanding of the other person. And those are 7 habits you need to in your life. Thanks for watching. Please comment down below if you've learned anything and please subscribe as we upload videos daily.